what's up? It's me, Frosty Curiosity. How's it going? And today I am with two people, actually. My brother, CLP Tunes, and my friend, the Nathan Klein. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Okay. Nathan is unfortunately literally not with me, so he's in a call, so Nathan, talk as clear as you can. That was loud. I have you going through speakers so like you can hear it better, because like my phone is doing like a weird thing. It does a weird thing. So yeah, he has no idea what's going on. Oh my gosh, is this the only cars we got?
Oh my god. So many cars.
This is like a different year. What are you doing, dude? I think it's your turn. It's your turn. Oh my gosh, let me go back, get back. Hey, triangle. I didn't know I had other cars. I want the fastest car I can get. This guy. Wait, is he good? Yeah. Okay, so...
And you understand my new car I unlocked. He's faster.
Why did you tell me you had that car? Oh, you're a trickster, aren't you?
Man, I ain't telling you which one's the fastest, but that car I unlocked is...
Okay, whatever. Hey, Nathan.
Yeah.
You gonna talk?
Hi.
Aren't you gonna talk about anything else?
Hi.
Here goes.
Okay, nice. Okay, guys, another good thing to do. Oh, crap, how you go?
X.
Oh my gosh, no! X's suck. You don't go with X. X's just suck.
I know.
You already know. What are you talking about, Nathan? You ain't even...
I'm obviously watching you right now.
Yeah, he's watching me right now. Oh my gosh, this is so nasty. Why did I say nasty? What the freak? This is so, like, horrible looking up close. It's, like, awful. It's not pretty at all. This game's just awful. It hurts my eyes. I don't know about Corbin. Don't you just love James, Nathan?
Sure.
I wish James could be here, but he can't. I'm not going into depth. I made videos on that of why. Watch the video. I'm not putting a link because I don't know how to do that. Well, actually, I do know how to do that, but I don't want to do that.
I don't want to.
I'm too lazy. Aha, you crashed.
It's because I was going too fast.
Yeah, I guess that looks alright. Okay. Yeah, later. Ha my butt. This war is ours. I wonder what you sound like on the camera. Like, man, okay. Is ours?
It's ours.
I can't wait to get a PC. Once I get a PC, Nathan, well, I probably won't be able to do Minecraft videos with other people. I'll probably have to do it with myself. Like, you know, I probably won't be able to do it with you until I get a router, because I don't have a router. Well, we have a... Oh, that's right. But won't we have to hook it up to my computer?
So cool.
Alright, Mom, I can't talk. I'm in a video. She goes quiet.
Oh, is that all what you get? You car behind me?
Why are you always talking to cars?
Okay. You want a piece of me?
Yes.
Well, come on then.
I don't want to touch you. I'm in 6th place.
Take
Holy
that.
crap. That's like the last. What the heck was that?
What was that?
Oh,
Did you hear it also? Like, that always happens
Take
to me.
that.
Every time I call you, that always does that.
take that, you guy that crashed me. Oh, what the? No.
I never mentioned. I don't think I mentioned what game we're playing. Everyone, we're playing Burnout 3. Bam.
Yeah.
PS2.
You said Inferno.
What?
I thought you said Inferno whenever you told me.
Oh, no. I said 3. Oh, no. Oh. I screamed. Oh, what the freak? I really sorry, everyone. I just put my fingers on the camera. Oh, okay. That's so weird sounding. Nathan is not as commentary as James is. I'm sorry, everyone, for his unfortunate lack of talking. Say you're sorry, Nathan.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it happens. I get that way sometimes. Okay, basically, you know what I want to name this video? Burnout 3 with...
No!
Yeah.
I'm not going to win!
I'm going to name this video Burnout 3 with COP
I win!
and Nathan Klein and Screaming.
And myself.
And with Nathan Klein screaming at himself.
I win!
There we go. Ultimate name. I really can't wait to rewatch this video just to see how bad the audio is going to be with you. I'm serious, because like it sounds horrible already, like you talking on it. Like, I mean, it's not that bad. I wonder if like we'll be able to understand you the whole time. You're just gonna be like, is he just gonna say, oh no, oh. I am so bad at this burnout game. I hate this game. Wait, we just won.
I win!
Shut up. No one likes you.
You douche!
Hey. Alright. Okay, guys, that was like a really short video. Corbin, say something.
I win this race, and then I picked the car that I unlocked is the best car ever. And then I defeated Baylor. I'm at 50.
Okay, whatever.
Okay.
Nathan, say your last words. Okay. Okay, my last words. I hate myself. No, I love everyone. Like and subscribe and bye-bye.